are going to the feature. So this is an 8-lap last chance race. Pick your driver. Lots of cars here. We have 36 of them. It's amazing to see these guys out here. These are all 6-cylinder vehicles. A lot of these cars, they don't even have racing seats. They've got the original factory seat. No roll cage. It's a very good entry-level division to get into. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a great series to get into. Talk to these drivers after the races. The lights are out. And green flag, and we're racing.
And it's going to be the 23 machine of Brian Nayland Jr. out front.
As Watson Jr. starting to look on the inside of Garkey.
Yeah, along with the 57 of Jeff Watson Jr., your top three. The 55 getting a little squirrely, Andrew Walling. As he's now passed by the 45 of Sean Hofstrom.
Remember the top.
3 and 4 wide they go.
Whoa!
Craziness over here.
Whoa! Nayland Jr. takes out the 12 car of Seth Hansen. Almost flipped them over, we thought.
Yeah, Brian Nayland Sr., Princeton, Kentucky, in that 23P car. All over the 12 of Seth Hansen out of Beloit, Wisconsin.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about a round of applause? Everyone is still on the track, ready to go. Everybody's still out there.
That's why they love the Sixers. Take a banging and keep on rolling.
And they are officially now in the raw start, restart, raw steel restart zone. Here they come, green flag, and we're racing. And Garkey battling it right off the get-go with the 23 car of Nayland Sr.
Nayland Jr.
That's Junior.
Yeah, Junior's in the red.
So it's Garkey, it's Junior. Here comes Watson Jr. We got two juniors.
And a Hofstrom in the 45. Watch out for the 55 of Andrew Walling working his way up there. He's got a little trouble. Turns 1 and 2, and he's got the number 5 with Noah Anders on his tail.
And Watson Jr. feeling some pressure from the 45 car. It's Whaling.
Garkey in the 20 machine, the red machine out front. And Jr. in second. Hofstrom in third in a nice battle with the 57 of Watson Jr.
As they're coming up on second place. That would be Nayland. Here comes Whaling. On the inside of Nayland.
They'll go 3 wide.
Watson Jr. squeezing by to grab second place.
From the outside of the 3 wide.
4 is the bubble. The top 4 make it. Everybody else is going home.
Right now, Garkey making it look easy as he's out front, pacing well. Nice move by the 57 of Watson Jr. to get in that second spot. And the 23 of Nayland Jr. trying to get in there for the top 3. But watch out for that 45 machine of Sean Hofstrom. They come up on lap traffic.
So the battle is definitely for 4th place between Hofstrom and Whaling. And Nayland hanging on for dear life as the battle's right behind him. He's got to be freaking out. White flag. Watch this spot for 4, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I don't even know who's going to be in 4th this time. Jeff Watson sitting in 3rd, I think. Or is he in 2nd? Who's that 31 car? I think it's a lap car. Yeah Watson in 2nd, 23 in 3rd, 45, 55. Who's getting 4th? Oh, look at this. It's going to be 45 to take 4th place. So 45 of Sean Hofstrom hangs in there to claim that last and final remaining spot for that last chance race for the original Sixers.
So Andrew Garkey in first. You said the 31 car of Christopher Schroeder in second.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, attention in the stands. The boat race contestants. If you are racing in the boat race, you need to go down to the tire shack at this time. Once again, if you are in the boat race contestants, please report down to the pit shack at this time, or the tire shack. Boat race participants, head to the tire shack. Wow. How about that race out there? If the 20 car only knew what was going on behind him.
A mess,
Back there for fourth. He opens the door. He's not climbing out the window. It's Andrew Garkey. Andrew, you're not supposed to open the door and get out of the car. You're supposed to climb out of the window.
It's from Loves Park, Illinois.